Hey Kristen, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Service. We're able to take a look at your house here for a gutter cleaning quote, and we've got a couple of suggestions for you after walking around the house and looking at it. It looks like we have about a normal gutter clean here, and wanted to talk a little bit about the shingles and what we can do to help preserve the life of your roof. So we do offer a roof rejuvenation treatment. Starting to see some mold growing here. That's a sign that your shingles are starting to get drying out going on with them. But we're also going to provide a quote for you to put gutter covers over your, or put gutter protection over your gutters. That way you don't have to worry about having to get your gutters cleaned out all the time. So the process to rejuvenate your roof is all natural bio oil, soybean oil. While I'm here, we'll just create a quote for all the things that we can help you with. You may not want to do all of that right now, but at least you'll have those prices on file for the future. So take a look at this quick informational video about what you can do to help extend the life of your roof, and I'll also include a video about the raindrop gutter cover product. Either way, we'll be glad to help you out with our gutter cleaning process and get all the debris out there before winter. So look forward to helping you out. Any questions you have, feel free to call or text me on my personal 815-520-6020. I look forward to helping you out. Take care.
The summer heat and winter cold turn your shingle roof into a brittle mess. Replacing it will cost you a fortune, and if this happens, it's even worse.
Think you need a new roof? Think again.
Introducing RoofMax, the first professional and affordable roofing treatment that is scientifically proven to reduce an asphalt roof's aging process. With RoofMax, you'll have the protection of a brand new roof and save thousands. RoofMax's skilled technicians apply a safe, effective, and affordable natural treatment. And within hours, you have a roof that performs like a new roof. RoofMax's exclusive treatment resaturates old, dried shingles with a natural, bio-friendly formula that quickly restores flexibility and water-repelling protection guaranteed. Look, this is a 17-year-old asphalt shingle. It literally disintegrates. But here's an identical 17-year-old shingle that we treated with RoofMax's proven formula. It passed rigorous independent testing as a new shingle.
So your roof can even look like new. This neighborhood's roofs were ravaged by Hurricane Sally, but this house treated by RoofMax had absolutely no damage.
So a RoofMax roof can also pass a home inspection if you're getting ready to sell, or for insurance, saving you money. Check out our website to see impeccable reviews saving thousands of roofs and millions of dollars. Remember, a new roof can cost you tens of thousands. And who wants to deal with days of this? Keep your family safe and happy with RoofMax.